Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have account access and the correct roles. This lets you call protected endpoints immediately. Next, register an OAuth client in the admin console and capture the client ID and secret so you can request tokens. Then pick your method. Use an official SDK for convenience or curl for quick tests. Once done, request a token with client credentials. You'll use that bearer token in every API call to authenticate and authorize actions. Now you implement the calls. If using an SDK, install it and initialize with your client credentials. If you prefer curl, export the bearer token into an env variable for reuse. Then compose a basic GET request to a safe endpoint like /API/v2/users to confirm authentication and response format. This verifies scopes and connectivity. While testing, inspect headers and JSON responses to understand rate limits and pagination, and adjust request parameters to fetch only the fields you need. To complete the workflow, automate token refresh and incorporate robust error handling so your integration runs reliably. This prevents sudden failures when tokens expire. Make sure to respect rate limits by batching requests and adding exponential backoff for retries. If something goes wrong, first verify the bearer token, client secret, and assign scopes. Next, check API response codes and logs for detailed errors. Finally, enable detailed logging and rerun the failing request to isolate and fix configuration or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.